What are the use cases? Once you have good data and an understanding of how your industry is impacted by the pace of AI innovation, the next step is to identify the high-value use cases that will use artificial intelligence. Generative AI solutions are relatively easier to implement because the use cases are somewhat simpler and the business case to justify it is more clear. Gen AI use cases are solutions that create time savings and increase communication, such as sales assistants that can provide more insight into prospects and customers, or customer success solutions that provide a 360-degree profile of your customer. There are also automation opportunities, particularly in functions like manufacturing and supply chains. Computer vision use cases can use video or images to monitor activities and ensure high quality and prevention of errors or anomalies. Check out my other videos that cover use case ideas for every major functional area of a typical business.